So I bought a couple guitars this year, and I wasn't looking for another one, but then I was just kind of like on the Reverb app, and I need to delete that bitch off my phone. But anyway, I was on that app, and this kind of just came across my peripheral. So I put in a super low ball offer, and the guy accepted it. And I was kind of like, and when he accepted it, I was like, fuck. I don't know. I think I'm gonna enjoy this. I'm pretty stoked. Packaging left something to be desired. In this case, nice and safe. Wow. Looks even better in person. That's nice. That's nice. The guy that I bought it from said that he has a set of 7s on here, which is a baffling decision, but okay. And it's nowhere close to being in tune.